This is the H&M winter wear haul for 2020 to 2021 because like the winter is going to continue, right? What's up my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. First of all, a big thank you to each and every one of you guys. The Find Your Style family has crossed 5,000 subscribers and I want to give it back something to you guys. So there is a giveaway. The instructions to the giveaway will be at end of the video, and also I will let you know guys what exactly the giveaway about in the middle of the video. So make sure that you watch that entire video. This haul includes not only the jackets but cardigans, shirt jackets, jersey jackets, hoodies, whatnot. Everything is covered except for the bomber jacket and coats. Bomber jacket, I will be doing a separate haul on that, and when it comes to the coat, I literally can't wear where I'm staying in, so I haven't ordered any one of them. It also includes the flannels as well. Coming to the piece number 1, it is a black color shawl full sleeve cardigan from H&M at a price point of 2,699. I got this in a size of medium. First of all, why I have started with this piece, because it is one of my favorite. This is one of the super versatile piece you can own because of two simple reasons. One, because of how simple it can be when it comes to the layerings, and the second reason could be the thickness of it. It is neither too thick not too thin. It is appropriate for the light to moderate layering. Coming to the material compositions, it is a cotton knit one. It is made of 100% cotton, and the best part with this shawl collar cardigan would be the care instructions of it, because most of the knit options, they may come with the care instructions of hand wash, but this is a machine wash, so you can just use it as any other piece in your wardrobe. It is having the button down front. Coming to the fit of it, as I have gone true to size with the size of medium, it fits very well guys. The sleeves end just right, and also the length of the cardigan, it's not a long line cardigan, so it ends just right. If I have to pick a minor disqualifier for this cardigan, it would be the ribs at the end of the sleeves. It do not have so much elasticity to it. I am not sure on the longer run how it holds up. Moving on to the piece number 2. It is a beige checkered fox shearling lined shirt jacket from H&M. I got this in a size of small. It is fairly priced at 1,500 rupees. Why I mentioned it as fairly priced? Because if you have to pick one piece for the practical utility purpose during the winter seasons, where it should give you warmth during the winter season and it should be affordable without even being discounted, this should be your go-to piece, as it have the shearling lining inside the shirt jacket. It gives you enough warmth. It's little bit on the thicker side. It is used for a moderate layering guys. If you want a light layering, this should not be your go-to piece. Actually, the checkered pattern is trending when it comes to the overshirts. What exactly I liked in the shirt jacket is the color combination guys. As I always mention, when it comes to the checkered pattern, make sure that you have one neutral color in the checkered pattern. Even though it's mentioned as beige checkered jacket, it is also having that black lines to it. It is also having a dark brown and a black combination to it, which makes it super versatile. Overall, when it comes to the fit of it, I sized it down in order to get an appropriate fit when it comes to the shirt jackets in H&M. So I have gone with the size small. One minor disqualifier I can say about this shirt jacket from H&M is the quality of the stitchings when it comes to the buttons. The buttons are already loose when I got it, so that could be better. That's the only disqualifier. At a price point of 1,500 rupees for a new arrival, you can't beat this. Moving on to the piece number 3. It is a white shirt jacket from H&M at a price point of 1,500 rupees. It is also an overshirt. This I got it in a size of small. This is also priced at 1,500 rupees. As I mentioned, these are the new arrivals but still priced very fairly guys. And what I like the most, even though it's mentioned as a white color, it's actually an off-white color when it comes to the shirt jacket. Being it a neutral color, yes, it's going to be super versatile. On top of that, it have the single chest pocket, which it's normal, and it have the 2 patch pockets, which I like the most. Also, when it comes to the materials, it do not have any stretch to it. It is just 100% cotton, but it's a little bit on the rough side. Apart from the disqualifier I mentioned for the piece number 2 in terms of the stitching for the buttons and the buttons being loose, they have differentiated by using the black color buttons, which I feel it's a nice touch. Moving on to the piece number 4. It is a H&M light blue washed sustainable denim jacket, which I got it in a size of small. It is priced at 3,000 rupees. As I got this in a size of small, the length and overall where the shoulder seam ends, those end right, but The sleeve length is a little bit on the shorter side, but anyway I'm going to pin roll my sleeves. It's not a big deal, and as you guys must be aware, or if you are not, you make sure that always the t-shirt which you are using should be of longer length when using a denim jacket. It is a slim fit jacket as mentioned, but I feel that it is having a little bit of a straight cut to it, but overall as I size it down, it fits like a slim fit. To me, the quality of the jacket is great even though it's made of 100% cotton, but please do note that the material, the cotton they have gone with, it's a sustainable option and it's going to be a little bit on the rougher side, and it do not have any stretch at all. If you want a comfortable denim jacket which have a little bit of stretch to it, this may not be the one for you. But if you want a lighter wash option, as I mentioned, if you want to pair it with any of the light wash jeans you have, this should be the go-to jacket. Now let's talk about the giveaway, guys. As this is the winter wear haul, not only you should look good in terms of what style choices you make, you also need to take care of your skin during the winter season. I'm pretty much sure that every one of us at some point of time must be having a problem of picking the right products according to your skin type. You must be knowing your skin type, whether it's a combination skin or whether it's a oily skin or whether it's a dry skin. Your skin needs to be protected during the winter seasons, and for that to happen, you should be picking right products. And on top of that, if you're on budget, there is this brand called BeMan. It is a subscription service in India where they can help you in curating the skin, hair and beard products in one single box as a subscription service. Once you enter the website, there will be a short survey form which you need to fill based on your skin type. There are 3 level options: beginner level, intermediate level, as well as the elite level. You can combine the skincare, hair care as well as the beard care products into one single box based on what you opt for. My skin is a combination skin, so I have gone with the tea tree composition when it comes to the moisturizer, and also when it comes to the face wash, I have gone with the charcoal face wash. I have this coffee gel scrub and charcoal face wash. The tea tree products from this brand are one of my favorite, guys, when it comes to the shampoo as well as the wild argan tea tree moisturizer. In case if you opt to buy any of the products when it comes to the hair care, please do not buy hair wax because it's not good at all. Please don't buy that. What exactly I like in this brand? One, how many products they are providing you at an affordable price point. I have gone with the elite kit. You do have the options to select the beginner as well as the intermediate kit. For the beginner kit, you're going to get 4 products of your choice based on your skin type. What are the products available? Be it a skincare product, be it a hair care product, any product of your choice, you are going to get 4, and 1 free product you will get on top of that. And also you will be going to get a travel kit bag. So you're going to get everything at a price point of 599 rupees, guys. If you want a complete set of products which can last at least for 1 to 1.5 months without breaking your bank, I think this should be the brand to go. I'm grateful to each and every one of you guys, and I wanted to give 2 of the beginner level kits to 2 of the lucky winners from this giveaway. 4 products of your choice and 1 free product along with this kit bag for free. So to enter this giveaway, what you have to do, it's so simple. You have to be subscriber for this channel, of course. You have to like this video and also comment down. And second thing you have to do is to follow me on Instagram. That's it. Once we cross the 500 likes for this video, I will announce the giveaway winners on my Instagram page. So make sure that you be on Instagram if you just follow me here. So moving on to the piece number 5. This is an important piece when it comes to the winters. It is a black color biker jacket from H&M which is priced at 4,499. It is super expensive, and this I got it in a size of medium. I paid the full price for it. It is a diagonal zip front jacket. That's what I liked it. And also the lapel collars I am always a big fan of. That's the 2 things I liked in this jacket. And that too I picked in this black color which is not going to get out of style anytime soon. That's the reason I have gone with this one. It's a polyurethane leather jacket, guys. It is not a full grain leather jacket nor a genuine leather jacket. Coming to the fit of it, it fits just well, guys. The sleeves end just right because I have gone with the medium size. Initially I ordered the small size from Myntra, but it's too tight and it's too short. That's the reason I have exchanged with the medium size, and the medium size just fits right, albeit with 1 disqualifier. And I think this is a major one to consider because The length of the jacket at the front side, it is just perfect. But however, on the back side, it's a little bit on the shorter side. It's not even, guys. It's a problem which is not going to subside if you opt for a larger size or one size more. I'm not sure why they have designed it that way. When it comes to thickness of this leather jacket, yes, the thickness of the leather jacket is optimum, neither too thick, not too thin, and they have the polyester lining and also have the pocket inside. And the other thing, when it comes to the lapel collars, I like button studs, which you can keep or which you can remove. It's up to you guys. It is also having zippers at the end of the sleeves area, which gives that overall vibe, and black color in contrast with the gray metallic zippers. It's a pity because this leather jacket from H&M, it fits so well, except for the disqualifier. Moving on to the piece number 6, it's a red color hoodie from H&M basic hoodie lineup. This is priced at 1500 rupees. It contains 60% of cotton and 40% of polyester. It's not going to make much difference when it comes to that 40% polyester composition, when it comes to the in-hand feel. And why I picked this to start with? Because normally only I like this red color. It is in the brighter side of the red color, and red color in contrast with the black color is one of my favorite combination, guys. Overall, the contrast of both of them, it works like a charm, guys. If you haven't watched my video on H&M Winter Wear Haul 2020 India, where I have reviewed the H&M as well as the Zara hoodies, make sure that you check this video. I will leave the video link on the iCard somewhere on the left hand or right hand side. In that video, I have gone in detail. Moving on to the pieces. Yes, pieces 7, 8 and 9. These are the flannels. You must be thinking why checkered shirts are a part of winter wear haul when it comes to this H&M winter wear haul. Yes, you must be underestimating the use of checkered shirts or flannel shirts during winter seasons. When it comes to light layering in India, particularly in most of the regions, this should be your go-to choice when you use t-shirt like this, which can be an easy light layering combination during the winter seasons. Starting with the color number 1. This is my favorite of this bunch because of the color combination. It is an yellow and black checkered shirt from H&M, which I got it in a size of medium. It is a regular fit shirt. It is priced at $14.99. It's not super budget friendly when it comes to the checkered options. Always a tip for you guys to note: the checks need to be of medium size, not too small, because it will look like a semi-casual to semi-formal. If the checks are too big, they don't look presentable at all. It goes super casual. The important aspect when it comes to a checker shirt should be one of the color need to be of a neutral color, be it a black, blue or any neutral colors. Here I have gone with the black color option, and the contrast really works great. H&M have these flannel shirts in different colorways. And also I like this double chest pockets. These are not the flap pockets, these are the plain chest pockets. And particularly why this will be useful during the winter seasons. The material, even though it's made of 100% cotton, the material is not too thin, guys. It's a little bit thicker. It's just in the middle, guys. Not too thick, not too thin. And it is also having this soft feel to it. Because I like them, I got them in 2 more colorways as well. Coming to the piece number 8. I got this in the black and red checkered combination. As I mentioned, this is one of my favorite color combination. But in order to show to you guys in terms of how they fit medium, I got this in size small. There is some weird problem in H&M. If you want to opt for a regular shirt and if you go true to size, which is medium for me, it will be a little bit loose. It will be slightly on a lengthier side. But when you want to size it down in order to just make sure that it fits right, the overall length of the shirt would be perfect and the sleeve length would be perfect, but at the chest area it would be little tight. I don't know whether that's the problem only for me or the problem would be for each and everyone. My suggestion is to go true to size even though if it is a regular fit. And the third one, the color combination, I'm in love with it. This particular shirt I will exchange with medium, and you can easily go with the monochromatic outfits by using this checkered shirt. And if you get all these pieces, whatever pieces I am mentioning in this video, at a discounted price, maybe within a month or so, make sure that you like this video and wishlist those options either from Myntra or from H&M, whatever the links I would be providing down below. Moving on to the last piece and piece number 10. It is a black colored jersey shirt jacket from H&M at a price point of 2,299. This is not exactly the new piece I got for this haul, but H&M do have this season after season. I got this almost like 7 months or 6 months back for one of my H&M haul, but I wanted to include that because it is as good as it gets. I got this at a size of medium because I wanted to go for the little bit relaxed fit when it comes to the jersey material. I feel that if you size down it would be too short, and also being a jersey material it is having stretch to it. Only minor disqualifier would be it picks lint super easily. Except for that, I like the button layout, the button down front as well as the two chest pockets. I have this same jacket in the brown colorway as well, which is also one of my favorite shirt jacket. If you get this at a price point of anywhere close to 1000 rupees, it is a must go option, guys. As I mentioned earlier, there is a giveaway going on. As a recap, to enter the giveaway, you should be the subscriber to this channel. You have to like and comment for this video and follow me on Instagram. That's it. You are entered into the giveaway. Once this video crosses 500 likes, I will announce the 2 winners for this giveaway on my Instagram page. And again, thank you so much guys for 5000 subscribers, and this is a small thing which I wanted to give back to you guys.